Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson. And so today I'm teaching you how to play Too Faithful by Moses Bliss. Alright, so he sang the song in the key of B flat, but I've transposed and I'm going to play on C. Alright, playing and give you a full piano tutorial slowly. Alright, okay. Alright guys, so when you play that intro, you still go back to the same thing. Alright, so let me just do the intro of the song. Okay, it's a very simple one. Okay, so we start with do, so re mi re do, re mi re do fa. So after C major, we go to Fa, that's F major. Do, mi, re, do, mi, re, do, fa. So we press Fa with our left. Fa, 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 la. Okay, fa. Okay, so when you do that, press Fa, you press la la ti do, la la ti do. Okay, then now you come again. Okay. Now you press Fa, mi, re, Fa, mi, re, do, Fa, mi, re, do. Now you come to So, that's 5. Ti, ti, do, re, ti, ti, do, re, ti, 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 do, re. That first pass. Okay, then the second time do the same thing. Okay, this is what you add. Okay, so when you do it, that's the second time. Do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re. Then you press F, G major. Do, re, mi, re, do, re. You press your G. To La, and you can give some sound effects. Alright, then you go to Do. You are who you are yesterday. Okay, so it's a 1, 1. You are you. Do, you are who you for yesterday. 1 and 5 and 6. So it's a 1. It's a 1, 5, 1, 4. 1, 5, and 6 chord progression. Alright? So it's you are who you are who you for, yes, the one. now 4, 5, 6. Yesterday, faithful God. 4, I worship. 5. Okay, when you do that, you come to 6. You are who you are, yesterday, today, forevermore. Faithful God, I worship you. You never change, you never fail. You faithful to the 6. Faithful God. So when you reach faithful God, you go to 4. Faithful God, and come back to 5. I worship you. I worship you. You see, you're still on 5. On 5. Okay, now you are too faithful to fail me. All right, let's go to that one. Still on 1. You're too faithful to fail me. 1, 2, 6, 2, 5. And say, you're too faithful to disappoint me. You prove. So you see, so the actual chord progression is a 1, 4, 1, 5, 6, then 4 again, 5. Alright? You're too faithful to disappoint me. Yeah. Proving yourself. Okay, now you proving yourself in my life. It's a bit different. All right, so you proving yourself in my life. Okay, so you proving your 4 in my 3. All right, I was playing the inversion of E minor. Now I've come to real. Okay, so you proving yourself in my 3. Now I've come. You go to 2. Re mi fa, re mi fa. Okay, that's the 2 inversion. All right. You are pressing the 2. Alright, so this chord is a B major flat chord. So it's a very nice chord. So it's a B major flat. So it's B flat, C, and F. So when you leave from that B flat, yeah, so we go to 4. That's F major. You're too faithful to fail me. Right? 4, 5, 1. That's a bit kind of rest. 1, 4, 5, 1. And do it again. 1, 4, 5, 1. Then you go back. That's our theory. that's it. When you play that intro back, you dodge back into the song. So guys, that's a rundown of that song. I hope you learned something, and please do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.